Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Fossil Chronograph Watch. As you can see, this is going to be the model with the date complication, so with the date window at 4 o'clock. Now when we want to set the time and date in general on quartz watches, mechanical watches, we are going to follow three main principles. The first one is that we want to first set the time at 6:30 in order to avoid damaging the date wheel. So usually the wheel that engages in order to change the date is going to engage between 9 and 12 or between 12 and 3 o'clock. I'm going to show you right now. So if I keep on going past 12 o'clock, I will be able to see that at some point the date is going to change. We are now PM, so now the date is going to change. So as I get closer and closer to 12 o'clock, you'll be able to see that at this exact moment, the date is changing. So this means that right now, the date wheel is engaged. This means that if you were to attempt to change the date while the date wheel is engaged, there is a big possibility that you are going to damage, so break the date wheel. As you can see now, the date has changed, and there are going to be instances where the date is also going to change between 12 and 3 o'clock, especially if you have a day-date complication. So in order to avoid this risk, so damaging the date wheel, we are going to first set the time at 6:30. This way, both of our watch hands are in the lower half of the dial. So as you can see, this is considered the danger zone, so between 9 and 3 o'clock, and between 3 and 9 o'clock, this is considered the safe zone. The second step is going to be to first set the date, and we are going to set the date 1 day prior to our actual end goal. And we do that because we want to arrive on our correct date and select AM or PM. So as you can see right here, I am on the 27th, and if I pull the crown to the first position, I will be able to change the date. Let's presume that my end goal is to make it the 10th. I'm going to make it the 9th. As I mentioned, 1 day prior to my end goal, as you can see, the 9th, because my end goal is the 10th. And now we are going to arrive at our third step, and that is to set the time and select AM or PM. And now I'm going to pull the crown to the last position, and I'm going to go with the watch hands past 12 o'clock until the date changes. As you can see, it did not change. That is because we were AM. Since now we are PM, I'm going to go past 12 o'clock. I'm going to arrive on my desired date, and now I can make it 3 AM. So 3 in the morning. In case you want to make it PM on your desired date, so on the 10th, I'm going to go past 12 o'clock once again. You'll be able to see that the date is going to remain the same, as you can see right here. And now I can make it 3 PM, so 3 in the afternoon. And that is why we always want to first set the date 1 day prior and then set the time in order to select AM or PM. Now I know that I am on the 10th and it is 3 PM. In order to finalize the process, I'm going to push the crown all the way back in, and voila, everything is set correctly. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of your Fossil Chronograph Watch, so what each of these subdials mean, how to align your chronograph after you have replaced the watch battery, how to use the chronograph, how to replace the bracelet, and also how to replace the watch battery, I'm going to have full guides in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. In case you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. And also guys, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.